Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create GoToTraining registrant on InstaMojo sale. So let's suppose I am running online training session and I am receiving all my payments with the help of InstaMojo. Now I want that whenever someone makes the purchase of this course, it should be automatically created as a registrant in my GoToTraining account. Now doing this manually will be a very time consuming task, so I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between InstaMojo and GoToTraining. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever a new sale will happen in my InstaMojo, a registrant will be automatically created in my GoToTraining account. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create GoToTraining registrant on InstaMojo sale. For this, we are going to create automation between InstaMojo and GoToTraining with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create GoToTraining registrant on InstaMojo sale, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I am going to select this all automations and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create GoToTraining registrant on InstaMojo sale, which means whenever there will be sale in my InstaMojo, a registrant will be automatically created in my GoToTraining, which means whenever there will be new sale in InstaMojo, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when a sale happens in InstaMojo or the payment is done in InstaMojo and then action says do this, then create GoToTraining registrant. So then in my trigger application, I am going to take InstaMojo V1. Now I need to select my trigger event, so whenever a new sale happens, this workflow should be triggered, so I've selected that. Now I need to make connection between InstaMojo and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my InstaMojo with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my InstaMojo account. So this is my InstaMojo dashboard, and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I am going to click on the smart pages, and here this is the particular product. So I am going to click on this three dots and then click on this edit page. Now on the left hand side I can see all these options where I have to go to page settings and then go to webhook. Now over here, I first need to remove the previously existing webhook URL. Then I need to enter the webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I am going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Now I need to send this information to be sent. So in this drop down, I can find two options, successful payment and failed payment. So whenever a sale happens or whenever successful payment happens, this webhook should trigger the workflow. So I have selected this successful payment, and then after selecting that, we have to click on this save and update, and then click on this yes, save and update. So here I have Smart Page Core PHP programming edited successfully. So we have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect here in my InstaMojo, and now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. If I scroll down, I can see this option of waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to make a purchase. For that, I'll be opening my InstaMojo and then I have to do the form submission or the payment for this particular page. Now if Pabbly Connect capture that response here in this workflow, this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and InstaMojo, that is successful. So here I am going to open my InstaMojo, and then to open this page I have to go to this 3 dots and then click on this view page. Now I have to click on this enroll now, and I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So it has first name, last name, email and phone. So let's say my first name is, so here my first name is new, last name is user, email address is this, and the mobile number is this. Now I am going to click on this proceed to pay. Here I need to select my payment method. My payment method is credit or debit card, and now I am going to fill the details of my card. Now after entering my card details, I am going to click on this continue to pay, and then after entering the OTP, I am going to click on this submit. And here the payment is successful. Now all these details should be captured in my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect workflow, and if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response. The payment status is success. The payment amount was ₹9. Here is the name of the product. The name that we entered was new user. Phone number was this. Email address was new321@pabblytudes.com. Now here, as soon as I've done the payment, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and InstaMojo, that is successful. Now whenever someone will make the payment in my InstaMojo, I will start receiving the response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is InstaMojo sale, I want to create GoToTraining registrant. So then in my action application, I am going to take GoToTraining. And then in my action event, as I want to create registrant, I am going to select this. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with GoToTraining. Here I have already logged in my GoToTraining, and this was an easy authorization. So it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization, and GoToTraining is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is I have to enter the training, and to get this I have to open my GoToTraining account. So this is my GoToTraining account, and these are the 2 trainings that have been created. I am going to create this registrant in this Mastering Personal Development. So then I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down I can see both the trainings. I am going to select this Mastering Personal Development. Now I need to enter the email address. So I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. Now when I click on this email, I can find this InstaMojo, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I've received from there. Here I need to enter my email address, and my email address is new321@pabblytudes.com. Now I need to enter the first name and the last name separately. So I'll go to InstaMojo and check the response. Here I have received the full name of the user. So I need to format this, and for that I have to use one more action step before this action step, and I am going to add one more action application, which is text formatter by Pabbly. And then in my action event, I am going to take this split text and then click on connect. So I need to first select my text that I want to split. So that is the name of the lead, new user, and then reading this help desk, I am going to enter the separator as space. And then in the segment index, I need to select this as all and then click on this save and send test request. So here my first name has been separated with my last name, and now I'm going to use this in my action step. So here I need to enter my first name, and in this drop down I can see the response that I have received in my text formatter action step. So I'll open this and then enter the first name of the lead and then the last name of that lead. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I have to click on the save and send test request, and here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now I am going to open my GoToTraining account and refresh this page once. And here I can see that I have created one registrant in my Mastering Personal Development training. And here we can see that we have instantly created this registrant, new user. Email address was new321@pablitudes.com. So now to summarize, we took InstaMojo as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We made the payment in InstaMojo and received that response here. Then we wanted to create registrant in my GoToTraining, so I took my action application as GoToTraining, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the training in which I want to create the registrant, entered all these details with the help of a method called mapping, clicked on the save and send test request button and received the response as this registrant been automatically and instantly created in my GoToTraining. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between InstaMojo and GoToTraining with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.